Hey guys, what's up? It's Jen from your average techie, and today we'll be unboxing the MagSafe Duo wireless charger by Apple. And this cost 14,000 rupees in India and $130 in the US. And today we'll be seeing if it's worth it and should you go with it, or should you get another wireless charger that's not, a price of a pair of high-end wireless earbuds. So let's get right to it and let's roll that intro. Okay, so let's unbox it, and you don't need a knife for Apple, of course. They've got a pull tab for everything. We've got a nice little pull tab over here. We'll pull it. Let's see what happens. Okay, it goes all around and didn't complete the round. Alright, no problem. Just rip it open. Okay, that's the box. We've got how to plug it in and whatever, and we've got USB-C to lightning cable inside. You can see it right there, and some details on the side, costs and whatever. MagSafe Duo. Let's open it. Too slow. And right there on the front we've got the charger, and it's nice that they gave a metal puck on both of these, as if you see the charger included with the Apple Watch, that has a plastic puck and not a metal one, so that's nice. And let's take this out and put it aside for a second. Let's see if they included the charging brick, and no. Alright, no charging brick. Designed by Apple in California. Pretty thick paperwork compared to the Apple iPhone 12. That had lesser paperwork than this. Safety and handling, compliance information, and warranty. No stickers. We've got a USB Type-C to USB Lightning cable. Again, would have preferred a USB Type-A to USB Lightning. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality of this charger. I'm not really a fan of this hinge right here, as I don't know if it's prone to breaking a lot. And we've got the metal puck on the charger on both the sides, and this one for the charger, it stands up like this so that you can charge your watch in different orientations. And well, this one doesn't, because I guess they didn't think that anyone would need to charge their phone while the phone is upright. We've got a USB Type-C here. I don't know why they didn't. Okay, no, that's not USB-C, that's USB Lightning port right there, so that you can connect it and you can plug the other side into the wall. And well, that's it about the build quality. And we've got something written over here, Apple Incorporated, and whatever their address is. And that's it. Pretty nice build quality. Rubberized plastic on top and bottom. Not a great hinge, but whatever. It's got the Apple logo on back, and that's it. Let's move on to testing it. Okay, so now we'll be testing how it charges. And I've got my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here, and I've got the Apple Watch Series 5 right here, and let's charge it. I've taken off the films because I thought it'll help in the charging, and let's do it. I'll first test the watch, and it sticks on like a normal Apple Watch charger, but I guess it's stronger magnet somehow. For some reason it's a stronger magnet, and well, if I take it out for till it can maintain its electromagnetic range, it continues charging. See, it's till I've taken it out for like centimeter and it's still charging. So that's nice. And let's do the phone now. I'll just place it right there. Okay, so I placed it on a little in the front, so it just automatically stuck to it, and the animation for MagSafe comes on and the phone starts charging. Okay, so now let's get down to the main question. Is this charger a normal wireless charger with magnets in it? Is this charger worth the 14,000 rupees or the $200 to get wireless charging? And well, the answer is no, not in any universe. No, don't buy this charger. It's an absolute waste of money. Please don't buy it. Instead, I have been using this charger, and by the way, it's not a sponsored video, so not a sponsored video. I've been using this charger and it cost me only like 3,000 rupees. It has like 3 ports for charging. It's got 1 wireless charging, 2 wireless charging, and a watch port, and it has 25 watt charging capabilities, C-type port on the back, and it's a bigger form factor, but I guess and the MagSafe also has a few polished features that Apple does, like it's stitched together for portability, but 11,000 rupees is too big of a price for portability. You can also throw this into your bag, it won't take a lot of space, so I guess what I'm saying is, don't buy this. It's crap, it's a complete waste of money, just don't buy it. This on the other hand it charges slow, but I guess it's okay considering that it costs like 3,000 bucks. And I'll link both of these down below, but I would suggest that you go with this. I'll link this too in case you just want to burn your money, and well, if you want to burn your money, just burn your money, don't buy this. And well, that's it for today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Signing off, Jayan at your Irish Techie.